Okay, so can you see the screen now, please? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, mashallah. It's good to know that, mashallah, you've been working on vocabulary. Very good. Okay, I'm not asking you these questions in Urdu or English that can be converted into Arabic. Okay. So, mashallah. So please go through these words as well. Okay. Yes. Now the questions. Please let me know the ismul al-asma'ul isharati lil qaribi lil mudhakkar. Yes.
All three of them.
Yes, definitely all three of them.
Okay. Qareeb. Did you say Qareeb?
Okay, actually, I'm sorry. I'm drinking a lot today because I'm feeling some weakness. So I'm drinking
No,
lassi.
it's okay, sir.
Lassi, don't mind it, please. Yes.
Right. Okay. Are we saying the Qareeb lil Ba'id?
Lil Karim.
Okay. هذان and هؤلاء.
Very good. But let me tell me what is used for mufrad mudhakkar, muthanna mudhakkar, jama mudhakkar in tartib.
Okay. هذا is مفرد.
Okay.
For مذكر, and هذان is مثنى for مذكر, and هؤلاء جمع for مذكر, but it can also be for
very good. Okay.
مؤنث as well.
Okay. And for muannas, sister Sadika, for muannas?
It's hazihi, hatani, and haulai.
Okay. And for jama ghair zi aqil?
Then it will be Mahid Muannas, then hazihi.
Very good. Good, sister. Both of the sisters are correct. So, brothers and sisters, you can see that hada tilmidun, hada is for mudhakkar, mufrad mudhakkar. Hadani for muthanna mudhakkar, like hadani tilmidani. Haulai for jama mudhakkar, haulai talamidatun. Now, please let me tell you that after hada you must have mudhakkar wahid, al mufrad mudhakkar, not muthanna. After hadani only muthanna mudhakkar, and after haulai either jama mudhakkar or jama muannas, right? And hadhi is used before jama ghair zi aqil, like ashjarun, aqlamun, kutubun. هذه أشجار هذه أقلام هذه كتب هذه مكاتب, right? So هذه is used for before غير جمع ذي عقل. Now after هذه is what is used for before مفرد مؤنث. هاتاني before مثنى مؤنث. هؤلاء that is common for جمع مذكر and جمع مؤنث. Okay. Another thing, if there is هذا and after that a noun that comes like هذا التلميذ or هذه التلميذة هذه التلميذة. Okay, now question from Sister Yanti, then what it becomes?
It's become only mubtada.
Only mubtada. Okay.
So it needs khabar.
Okay, it needs khabar. Very good. Okay, and what is the word you use for it in Arabic? هذه التلميذ.
The term
مركب إشارة.
مركب الإشاري.
إشاري.
مركب الإشاري.
Ishari, yes.
Okay, now please tell me about al-asma'ul isharati lil ba'id. Yes, Sister Rida, do you know them?
Yes, sir.
Please. Do you remember, or you can see from your book? Do you remember them?
Yes, I remember. Al-Baid,
Yes.
na?
Yes,
Ismul Ishara
Al-Baid.
Al-Baid.
Yes.
Zalika.
Okay.
Zalika, Zainika. Maybe I forgot the Musanna.
Oh.
I'll try. Zalika.
No issue. Sister, if you know, please tell in series, like for Mufrad Muzakkar, for Muthanna Muzakkar.
Oh, okay.
for
Hi,
Jama'.
yes. Okay. Zalika Wahid Muzakkar.
Okay.
Zalika Zainika Musanna Muzakkar.
Zainika.
How? नहीं तिलका Zainika से.
Okay, no issues. Take your time. Yes, let me ask someone. Yes. Aman, do you remember them?
जी उस्ताद ذالika is mufrad mudakkar ذالika dhanika is dual mudakkar and ulaika is jama and you have
Okay,
dhalika and then
okay, good. Yes, Asma, what about Monas?
مؤنث تلك
तिलका
مفرد
तिलका
تانك تانك مثنى أولئك جمع.
Okay, and what for Jama Ghair Ziyaqil?
تلك.
Good. Okay, so this is what we come back. Now you see that before Muzakkar and this Ba'id means they're at distance. Those, that, those, and Karib, this, these. Okay, Dhalika Rajulun. That is for Mufrad Muzakkar. Dhalika or Rajulun. Dhalik is what? Ismul Isharati lil Ba'id, and for Muzakkar Wahid. Dhanika, that comes before Musanna Muzakkar. Dhanika Rajulani. Ulaika, that is common. That is common for Jama Muzakkar Salim and Jama Muannas Salim, right? Ulaika Rijalun. Ulaika Nisaun. Okay. And Tilka for Wahid Muannas, that is lil Ba'id. Tanika, that is for Musanna Muannas, that is for Ba'id. Ulaik, that is again a common between Muzakkar and Muannas, Jama Muzakkar, Jama Muannas. And Tilk is for, that comes before Jama Ghair Ziyaqil. Okay, let me ask you one question. What are the Asma'ul Isharati? They are Morab. There is another classification, Morab and Mabni. Morab, that changes Arab. Okay, in Rafa, Nasab and Jar. But Mabni, that does not change the Arab. Okay, Sister Saima, go ahead.
Right, okay. ذانك and تانك,
Very good.
which for للبعيد, and هذاني and هاتاني for للقريب. That ones are معرب. They change.
Very good.
The form keeps on changing according to the
Good, sister.
sentence.
So, mashallah, sister has told that only two means there are two asma from Karib and Ba'id. They keep changing, and others they are mabni. Any questions until now? If you have any question, please let me know. Then we'll move further. Any questions? No questions? Okay. Sister Reda, do you understand? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Can you see these exercises? Are you working on them?
Yes, sir. I started from exercise 1.
Okay, very good. Keep working on them.
There's a couple of things in there's a couple of words in exercise 1 that I don't understand. Wisadatun. What does that mean?
Which one?
We-
Exercise 1. Okay, coming back to that.
Yeah, wisadatun.
Okay.
Kurratani. Kurratun.
Mhm.
Kurrat.
Kuratun is balls. I mean gains.
That's not in the. What is it?
Ball, yes.
It's ball, ball, playing
Kurat-
ball.
Ball, yes.
Oh, yes, kurratun ball.
Mm. Okay, sister.
Wisadatun. What's that? What does that mean?
Is it pillow? I don't remember.
Which exercise, sister? Sister, exercise number 1 or 2?
Yes, it's pillow. It's exercise 1.
Is it pillow?
Visadatun is pillow.
Okay, jazakallah khairan. And what about usfurun?
Mm. Yes, sister. Tell her. Sister Sadiqa. Usfuratun or usfurun? Usfurun.
Well, it's actual the
Sparrow. Sparrow.
Oh yes, it is sparrow. Yes, sparrow. Sparrow. It's not in the vocab, so that's right.
No.
Hafilatun is the bus. Is that correct? Bus.
Yes,
Hafilatun.
bus.
Yes.
If you have gone to perform Umrah or Hajj, you might have seen over there hafilat, buses.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And
Mahattatu hafilat.
sariqun.
Sarikun, the one who
Is,
thief, it means thief.
Oh
Thief.
yeah, it does. Oh my God.
As-sariqu was-sariqatu in Quran, you might have read it.
Yeah, sariqun. Yes.
I think I should have competition among you of vocabulary. I should make a revision session on vocabulary. What do you say?
Yeah, I think that's
Yes,
a very
please. Especially the Jama Muqassar. It's so hard for me to memorize. MashaAllah.
Okay, sister. On Thursday, you are going to have competition on vocabulary, whatever the vocabulary we have learned so far among all of you, and we'll decide what award should be given to the winner, inshallah.
You know what I do? I cannot remember the vocabulary. So when I do the exercise, I write it in small. I write the meaning of that. Whatever word is being used, I always write it. So that's how I am getting a hold. Some of it I have learned.
Mashallah, great. Keep writing, sister. That's very, very, very well
Yes.
way.
That
Good
is
way.
helpful. I mean, other people can also do this to remember it.
Inshallah. So I think for today we have done enough. So inshallah on Thursday we'll do some vocabulary. I will ask you a lot of words and you should be prepared for that. And also Jama, Sister Yantin, what you have problem? Jama's taksir?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so difficult, especially when we have to change the forms.
No, inshallah.
Yes,
It's so
Jama
difficult.
Taksir, very difficult. It's
Inshallah,
difficult. I also think it's difficult.
And yeah,
inshallah, do it. Don't worry about it, inshallah.
but doing it together, that helps me a lot, because I did what Sister Sadika did by making like small notes to the new words, but it helps only like 25% memorizing the Jama Muqassar.
Yes, sister, actually when we do together in an interactive way, that enhances not only understanding, but that creates interest. Means somebody takes interest
Yes.
in learning, because you are doing together, things become very easy. But if there is
Yes.
only one-way communication, that is two-way communication. And in one-way communication, that is monotony, means it becomes monotonous, very boring. So alhamdulillah,
Yes.
that's why whenever I emphasize on attending classes, because one who attends class, he or she pays attention. Whatever that there means, any exercise is being done or any topic is being discussed, then the person takes interest and tries to understand. But when you are going through recordings, you may distract yourself. There may be some distractions. You may not be that much attentive. Okay. So may Allah bless you all, and I also request you, all of you, for your prayers. May Allah Almighty bless you, bless all of us, and may Allah Almighty save us from all fitan, and may Allah forgive us, and may Allah Almighty make His the most obedient slaves. Ameen.
Amin. Amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin.
Inshallah, see
Sir,
you. Yes.
sorry, before we go, just to recap on one of the concepts that you went through. So are we right in saying that a ghair munsarif, that is modified by the article al, that can take a kasra?
Yes.
Yes. Right, okay.
I will also share some exercise on that, inshallah, in the group. That when alif lam comes before means any noun that is ghair munsarif, then it takes kasra. Okay. I'll show some share some examples.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
So our next
Jazakallah
class
khair.
on
Next
Thursday.
Thursday, inshallah. Okay.
Thursday or Saturday?
Thursday, sister. Oh,
Thursday.
Saturday. Sorry, Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday. I'm really sorry. Saturday.
Also.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Jazakallahu khairan.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.